Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's John Dexter, this is Dexter's of Leicester, and we're easy to find on the main Melton Road. The weather's not great, but it's super cold, but there's still enough light to show you around the vermilion red metallic BMW X3. It's the SE version, it's the 6-speed manual gearbox. Super good on fuel consumption, just over 70,000 miles, I think it's 71,000 miles. Really is a great spec, because not only have we got the navigation, we've got the black Dakota leather, but check this out, we have got the heated front seats, the heated rear seats, but best of all, which we don't see a lot, is the heated steering wheel. I'm going to take this in one take, so apologies if there's any mistakes, but here we go. I'll show you around it. I'll stop waffling and show you around it. This looks superb, but also does the mineral silver just in the background there. But this is the 2014, slightly higher on the miles, but do you know what? It looks superb. No major stone chips, no major problems with the screen at all. Front parking sensors, front fog lights, alloys look nice and clean, and all the way down the side there, vermilion red metallic, quite an unusual one. It really does look nice. There's those alloys, pretty good. We've got the rear parking sensors, BMW number plates. All in all, nothing to put you off on the outside and nothing to put you off on the inside. Check this out, this one's got the sports seats as well. And while on this side of the car, I'm going to point it out, that's the heated steering wheel just tucked away there, little button there, heated front seats there, navigation, iDrive, and all looks in good condition. Cruise control, electric windows, central locking, power steering, aircon. We've got all the books, we've got some nice detailed stitching on the Dakota leather. Really nothing to put you off. Let's have a look at the back, and again, that's the heated rear seat button, which is just tucked away, but doesn't really look as though it's had a lot of. This one's got the cup holders in the middle and the black. Let's take you over the top and show you the dashboard. Great driving position, and those sports seats do add quite a lot of support there, but no major marks on the backs of the seats. And again, that back looks lovely. Let's see if Robert's done a good enough job cleaning the boot, and I don't think he did too much cleaning or had to do much cleaning. It's nice, it's not had a hard life. The mats will go in with another clean. Parcel shelf there, tucked in, so it really does look nice. Just check the tools, we've got all the tools in there. Here we go. We've got the small first aid kit, the locking wheel nut, always essential, and a first aid kit warning triangle if you could go over to France, but at the moment you can't, or go over to Europe. And this one's got the inflator kit just tucked away at the back there, so nothing there to put you off, so that's really nice. Let's just take you around this side. We're on diesel fuel, nice and straightforward, just over 40-50 to the gallon, and again, that looks pretty good. Gives you a clear idea of the quality that we're managing to track down, and you can do it from your own armchair. Auto lights, auto wipers, push button start, and we've got sports driving mode, which is tucked away there, iDrive with navigation, Bluetooth phone, and say those sports seats do look good. Thanks for taking the time to look through my video, and if you need any more information, just let me know. But the star of the show is, I'll get it into focus, the star of the show is the 2014 vermilion red. Thanks for looking.